handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to.
Hi, Chiquita. Hi. Well done. Hi. For African jewelry. Somebody was asking for African jewelry. Okay. Yeah. He's calling the owner of the shop in case you see something that you're like, what about stuff like this? Well, that's really pretty. That is really pretty.
Yeah, our daughter loves to cook.
Really? Aww.
So, and she has one. It's getting small for her because she's getting so tall.
Ah, you serious? That would fit her, right?
This would fit her.
Oh,
and even more, even as she's growing.
Growing, right? Hi, Sheila.
Okay. Our daughter Samantha.
I love the fact that it's a Christmas tree as well. That's really
and it has nice colors. She said
gorgeous.
It's 2,000.
Is that how much?
2,000.
Madam, you say how much? Oh, that's pretty. It's a bit tight there. Oh, it is. Okay.
I think it'll give me more.
Oh, wow. I like. Yes. Oh. And because you have a dress under, so when you take out the dress, it would still fit nicely. Oh, madam, that 7,000 is too much. But is it gonna go around your neck? Let me see. For you, right?
No.
Oh, for the kids?
Yes. This is stone, red stone.
No way. 12K.
Look at this. The rough one. You see? And this also I have rough one. So
These are expensive. These same 12,000.
It's not expensive, so I just give you like
12,000, 24,000 for the two. That's a lot. Oh,
So
if only you could ship it.
I know.
If only.
Get a glass to put on top. And put it in the living room.
That's a souvenir.
Yeah.
Does anybody want a Nigeria souvenir?
And how much is this one?
How much is this one?
3,000.
Okay, which one is 3,000? For fun?
Yes. This one you know say it's leather.
Okay. Maybe 3,000 and I want 5.
3,000.
Papa now, can I work for you? I work for una for you. How much last one be 2,500?
It's 2,500. That is the best price. I have different with Africa.
I like this one. This one get Nigeria for the front. 2,000. 2,000 last, okay. Now we we get be that.
Yeah.
Okay.
3,000. What do you think?
But I need to know the size. If it will fit who they want to buy. What size? Oh,
you have different colors.
So this is 700, and then this one.
Okay, how much? Okay. Hey, 2,000. Oh wow, this 2,000. No be last price be that now. Hmm?
Right.
No be last price be that one now.
Can I give you 2,000 for these two?
I should give you 2,000 for the two of them now. Now, okay. That's cute.
No, I was looking and they have look.
Yeah, they have other colors.
Cute.
I get a stable in my bed all alone. Never.
The line for Visa.
I didn't realize. Oh my god. See the people that are traveling. See the visa section. That's so funny. Oh my god.
This is not that big.
Yeah, this is bigger.
This looks bigger. I think it'll go.
I was looking for a remedy. Now I know who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I know who's in front of me. Yeah.
Do you want to get one? Oh my god!
Let me see this one. Oh. Yeah, how much is this one?
You say
45.
It costs like that. 40 again. We not get to.
Sheila, I'm gonna miss you, Chiquita. Bye. 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 Don't make me cry. Oh my God. Don't stop it, Latoya.
Bye.
You're going in 2 days while you're crying.
Yeah,
The best price.
You're not going now. You're not going yet now.
No, she's here to party for a while.
Yeah.
Oh, the best ever.
No crying. Come on. Love you. Bye. Bye, Fitz. Bye. Latoya, stop crying. You're going in 2 days. Why are you crying?
See them. We all live apart. And you will never part, my Tita.
Best friends. Best friends. Aww.
That one's for the grand.
Much later.
Hey, hi. Hi, bro. Hey. Hi, Sashan. Hi, Mel. Hi.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me.
What's the next one? It's maybe towards the end of the year.
Because you know, in Miami now. So I'm like,
Ready for the
I'm boy. I'm definitely
Oh wow.
I can drink it from the calabash.
So maybe I can bring the other ones.
No food. We're not ordering anything. What? Do they have fish at all?
Like some things to do.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, but like you guys, you don't want to eat any here.
You don't
Not right now.
Okay, but let me see.
Go to where? Great. Oh, that's great.
That's still my groom, oh. And my bridie. Drunk on palm wine.
So what you're saying is you could choreograph a routine for me.
Yeah, I mean, I've done that, bro. I had a plan for you guys, but you guys weren't serious. Did you even suggest 3 of you guys did?
Oh, this is one of the groomsmen. Stylish.
The one that dancing in Melba with a belt.
Dayo and somebody else.
Amigo.
30? Okay, Oga.
Is it Oga? Oga.
I have a question. Where were you guys for Charlie? Where was the dance routine? Where was the pat to wipe his sweat? Where was the vibe? Where was the vibe? Where were you guys on the dance floor?
Ask them. Ask them.
You were on the dance floor. Yes.
Where were your groomsmen?
Like, where's Fidel? This is what Fidel's supposed to do. Don't mind that's on me and Andy was showing up. Like, just, you know, even if you're not doing anything, just be doing that.
you up.
Just be doing
We are not done you.
Yeah, but if you saw that he was slacking, it's your responsibility to take up his slack because you're a part of the committee.
Well, I mean,
Oh, no. Not you just want to come with swag.
He's a show.
You just want to come with swag.
He's not from here, right?
no, I'm not from here.
You're from where? You're from where?
Where are you from? Out of space.
I'm from out of space.
Where are you from? He's from Mars.
What do I mean?
You finished it.
Gone.
Hey, father.
This is one fish?
Yes. Really?
Fish too. It started about $100.
Oh yeah?
$100.
Bro.
50,000 naira. 50K for one fish. As in for fish. In fish of 6K, 7K. Ewo.
That's
Ewo. Ewo.
You guys have learned something here.
Listen, we've learned plenty.
You've learned a lot, right?
Plenty.
She's speaking pidgin English, right?
Almost. Pretty soon. You would have seen her do a split on our head, butt shaking. And then we love it when the guy props us up. Right?
All that when the guy is on the floor and then you jump split.
Yes. Yes.
Is that so, Sammy?
I'm ready.
ready.
I'm ready to go to Jamaica. I am ready to go to Jamaica.
So you're always gonna have the lighter and the flag, and you wave it, and you say boop 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 boop.
Ratatata.
Enjoying it.
With a young yes, nice, how we are gonna turn up, how we are gonna go, how we are gonna drop, how we are gonna want to be a team.
I'm not here.
Oh my girl,
Where's the party happening? Where's the party? Where's the party? I'm missing out, right? You're missing out. They're giving us patois, dog.
Patois.
Give us patois. Like,
Be one of the things we don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how.